Kathoche mwanya kiri Anthony Kathenya. Hatutena mbere na atuto ingi nandi arimo ba JSS Meru baria baandiki na kibaruga nibandamanite bakienda kuandikwa na kandarathi ya Ntwire. Bariuga nibekirwo wira nembere ya kurika wa kandarathi yao bagategerwa indi mwankira nandi gutiweru bakuona niboritie nkiama ya kuandika arimo TSC kwigwa kiriro kiao na kubandika mbere ya skuru rugurwa Muthuri Muriuki na reported.
Nikumania miali mutongire mugongo na Dr. William Samoei Ruto irerekeretwe arimu ba junior secondary barana nibe gutanguna kandarathi kugati baketho bakiongera mwaka jungi nikenda bandi kwa thirikari miali yeje ithujukirite bwa kana rimu baba gitumi muthenero na arua bathabakishumiria na bambere ni kugabo batitoka cukuru na gitumi akoragwo choka cukuru gwitana Skuru cia rugurwa ni ati kandarathi yao yari mwaka umwe na etari na gicunjika kuongerwa.
Twasainire contract ya 1 year ya interns na elethira January 2 years. Tora president alaugire golo kitui. So tunaomba comes January all interns must be confirmed. Ba confirm January kila intern akuwe confirm.
President ero na rawere ati tobatire kuongela mweri mwaka yonge batuito kuwa to science intern teachers to take tayari na punda amechoka
kwa tweka internship imwaka jomwe ke mwaka jomwe no ntu bai baraibangeta baraije bekara ke mwaka jomwe kuma January baraije ima pesa na nande frustrations
bakonda thirikari juke kanya na kubandika ojari mubangi bakuinyambe chile bakurewa nini bajojo nande nijumbukana ukeja kuthura batita bakiandikwa
gote confirmation 2026 gote soka skulu kaire uketherwa tore ground ine
neba nenkero baroga chiao cha permanent kana nande tubatetherie na twethire twinabo kenda bateta utekuthomithia January watwika ana baba tewa permanent and pensionable.
We are asking you confirm all the 20,000 JSS interns, else come January all those children are going to come to State House wafunziwe huko.
And the president has been quoting the Singapore way, whereby the development it has become the first world country. Singapore has not become a first world country through dubious methods. It has become a first world country through investing in education.
Muthuri Muriuki wari Juma mutiri wa Kangangi.